Yes. Good morning, day 12 of Vlogmas. Now we are in the best mood ever because baby, you, my lovely baby, who's trying to play with my camera case. She's very distracted. Yes, gorgeous you. Slept the whole night through. The whole night through. You slept from 7:30 to 7:30 a.m. Oh my goodness. You are a wonder. You're a wonder. I honestly never thought I would be able to say 12 hours, but yeah. I'm so impressed. Yes, baby, you want to sit up? Yeah, she wants to do things now. We've read our book. We've read 2 books. And this was the second one. We've been reading Where's Mr. Penguin? And we found him, didn't we? So we're going to get up. We've got a lovely story time class to go to today. And we are going to go and have some breakfast, aren't we, Beezy Bub? Breakfast time.
And we play all day. Oh, she's very hungry. Has anybody got any green leaves? Can you hold out your hand? Have you got something there?
What do you think, Beezy Bub? You're gonna be tickled by the lion, baby.
Hi.
8 months.
And play. I am a tickle 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 whoop. Tickle tickle
Oh, lovely.
tickle 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 whoop. Tickle 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 whoop. That's when I
Oh, sweet. Okay, before we go back in the rain, we've got Bea all bundled up, hopefully about to have a nap, and yeah, we're just going off for a walk while she sleeps, and that was such a lovely class. I love it, so cute. So we'll see you in a bit. A really lovely thing's happening. Bea started getting really excited when she sees the camera come out. Yay! Okay guys, right, very sweaty, fogged up glasses, but you know that feeling when you've done all the things you need to do outside and you're just like, I can close the door to outside. It's horrible weather outside and we're going to get proper snuggly this afternoon, me and Bea. I've decided if she's up for it, we might even watch a Christmas movie together. So I'm going to give her a bottle now, but we have voted. Yes, we've been to a lovely class. Yes, Bea's had a proper long nap, nearly 50 minutes. Yes, and we even sent post for Stephen that we were meant to do. So we have nailed all the things we need to do outside. So we are now inside. I'm going to put my pyjamas back on. I am in a red dress for voting. This is a Frugy dress, not one that I made. I didn't finish it. But anyway, yeah, I'm really excited about pyjamas and snuggles. Are you gonna play again? Oh no! It's gone. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, thank you. Yes. Thank you. What's in here? What's in here? What's in there? What is it? It's a turtle? What's in there? It's a rabbit. What's in that one? Oh. You little lamb. It's time for cooking soup and cleaning up the kitchen. Bee's not quite asleep. I'm sorry. I know, like, mums probably say this stuff all the time, and sorry if it's getting boring, but oh my gosh, I love that child so much. I actually could cry because she's just amazing. I literally could just floods of tears every time I think about how much I adore her. She's being very, very special today. Oh, very wonderful. Okay, right. Soup and tidy. Are you ready? Before? Oh, and the Ocado, the delivery has just arrived, so I've got all this to unpack as well. So it's going to be a really fun one. I'm just going to give you a little whisk round for before, just so you can see what I've got to do. Empty the shopping, tidy up Bee's lunch, and sterilising. And I will cook the soup for much longer than it needs to be, because this is going to take a good 15 minutes. Okay. Oh. Hey guys, so it is nearly 8 o'clock. Bee is asleep in bed. I'm getting really annoyed with how reflective my glasses are, because they're not meant to be. Anyway, Stephen is doing the last of the school Christmas concerts, so when he's home tonight, I think that's him on holiday. I think he's done, which is so exciting. He might have a few private lessons, but that's fine. So that is when the fun begins tomorrow. We've already kind of said, right, we're going to go and have a really fun day out. So yay! And I've done his advent calendar a day late. And I'm just discovered something that is a bit Vlogmas life-changing. A lot of people, including my poor husband, have said to me, should you not try and compress it down more? And I don't think I quite got what they meant when they said, sorry, I'm talking about the video, I'm talking about the actual video, compressing the video more so that my uploads would be quicker. And I just didn't quite get it, and then today I kind of twigged and I was like, wait, I think I know what you mean. Like, you can actually compress a file, it'd still be the same quality, but it'd just be smaller. And I looked it up, so easy to do, and my video just uploaded in 2 hours as opposed to about 12. So yay! I am very, very happy about that. Sorry, my arm's getting sore, so I'm just moving over to the other arm. So now I'm just editing another one. Day 9 I'm editing. I'm trying to catch up. I'm still a few days behind, but I'm getting closer. If I can get 9 and 10 done by tonight, then I'm only 2 days behind, which is amazing. So that's the plan, and then I can do 11 and 12 tomorrow and then be up to date. And I think I'm also going to put those two both together because they're really short. I wonder if today is really short. Today is the 12th. Oh my gosh, this is confusing. Now I'm really confused. Okay, I'm not going to talk about that because that's blown my mind a little. But yeah, I'm just going to have a Nesquik because I've been feeling a little bit weird today, just a little bit kind of sickly, and Nesquik seems to just sort me out. I don't know why. Milk maybe, and some banana chips, and carry on editing and wait for my husband to return home and build some nappies. Rock and roll. So Stephen's back home and he's on school holiday now. Yay! And before you pass out on the sofa, because I know you're going to, what day is it?
The 11th.
Do you want to go and see?
I definitely do. Oh, this is lovely to come home to this. Oh,
Come sit down.
You wouldn't put coffee or tea in me, but really that's where I would like to be. I'll carve my own path, and ye shall go forth.
Faff. Because it rhymes with path. Path.
This is where Northerners are not great with reading poems.
Faff and path.
I'll carve my own path, and ye shall go fat to find a wonderful display spot for thee. Okay.
It's gone a bit ye old.
I know it has. It's a little bit Goonies.
Yay, intruders beware.
You wouldn't put coffee or tea in me. So is it in one of the jars in the kitchen?
Should we go to the kitchen and find out?
Really, that's where I would like to be. So I would think it's in a jar.
Okay, well let's go find out.
I'll carve my own path, and you shall go far.
Or fourth. I mean fourth is fine, yeah. But I was just thinking of path and farth.
Yeah, far. I was thinking of path and a word that doesn't exist.
I think farth, doesn't it?
What?
You should go farth.
This is starting to turn into a farce.
Very clever. Okay, shh. Come in and close the door. Sorry. Come on in. Come and make the wine. I mean, okay. I'm not going to sit in a thing, am I? I'm not going to give any clues away. I'm trying to close the door and film, and it's really hard. Okay. Gosh, it's hot in here. Potatoes.
It's really hot.
Potatoes are boiling, and stuff is in the oven.
I think it's the oven that's the hot thing.
I feel like the potatoes are giving off heat.
You wouldn't put coffee or tea in me.
He's really cold, isn't he? I'd love it if I hid it in the kettle.
It would have been, yeah.
It would have been good. Well, what else would you put coffee or tea in? Everyone at home has got it. Everyone at home is just screaming. I wouldn't put coffee or tea in a kettle. What would you put coffee or tea in? Or any other drink for that matter?
A mug. Yeah.
I can imagine everyone just being like,
but the clue said you wouldn't put coffee or tea in
oh,
me.
but that's where I would like to be.
That's kind of cool.
Only kind of, wait.
That's amazing.
That's what
What's it made out of?
Coconut.
That's so cool.
Isn't it?
And it's okay to drink out of?
I don't actually know. That's why I said
something like, don't ever use this. It's
just put
really
it on
dangerous.
display.
Where's that from?
I'm not telling you.
That's so nice.
Isn't it beautiful?
So if you're saying I don't use this for drinks, I can use this for pens and stuff?
Yeah. I think it's going to be more a display thing for you.
It's really beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I saw it and thought of you.
Wood stuff. I really like wood stuff. Things that are made of wood.
Okay, before we actually melt, shall we get out of here?
Yeah, I'm slowly. This is starting to melt in my hand. Is it made of coconut?
I actually said that because I thought it would sound intelligent, but I have no idea. I don't know what it is.
It must be a nut of some sort.
It does. I mean, it looks like coconut to me.
Yeah, maybe a small shaved coconut.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dad.
No problem, baby. Oh.
That's
Happy
awesome.
day 11.
There we go. There's day 11's treat.
So bye everyone. See you tomorrow for the next day of Vlogmas.